Imagine the creative world as a blank canvas, a vast, untouched expanse brimming with potential. Splashes of color from painted masterpieces, the echoes of artistic giants resonating through time. Bold graphics, a testament to the power of visual communication in the modern age, digital collages. A vibrant tapestry woven from countless individual threads of inspiration. Now add in a brand new brush generative AI. A tool unlike any other, poised to redefine the very essence of creativity. Suddenly, the rules of art and design aren't just being rewritten, they're being remixed. A symphony of innovation, blending the human spirit with the power of artificial intelligence. So, what exactly generative AI? Let's break it down and explore its fascinating capabilities. In plain English, it's a family of algorithms that can generate images, music, and even text, like this script. It learns from vast data sets and then crafts something entirely new. The most famous types are GANs, or generative adversarial networks. Think of them as two neural networks locked in a creative duel. One creates, the other critiques over and over until the results are jaw-dropping. A constant push and pull towards perfection. Then there are diffusion models, which start with random noise and refine it into stunning, coherent images. Like a sculptor revealing a masterpiece hidden within a block of marble. The techie details are wild, but the impact, even wilder. Let's talk real world. How is this technology changing the landscape of creative industries? In fashion, AI crafts fabrics and prints that no human alone could imagine, opening up a world of unprecedented possibilities for designers. In gaming, it powers rich environments and unpredictable narratives, making every playthrough a unique and unforgettable experience. Film studios use AI to storyboard, design creatures, and even de-age actors, pushing the boundaries of visual effects and storytelling. And fine artists? They're collaborating with AI to push the boundaries of what's possible. For creatives, this isn't about replacing imagination, it's about stretching it. Amplifying your vision and unlocking new levels of creative expression. Tools like MidJourney, DALL 3, and Runway ML are democratizing the avant-garde, putting the power of AI-driven creativity into the hands of everyone. With just a prompt, I can conjure up scenes I once only dreamed of. The possibilities are truly limitless. My workflow, faster, my ideas, bigger. But what about the future? What does the future hold for AI and creativity? Picture collaborative creativity at warp speed. A world where artists and AI work hand in hand to create breathtaking works of art. AI as your muse, your assistant, your idea engine. A powerful partner that helps you bring your wildest visions to life. The next big movement in art and design could start, literally, at your fingertips. So, are you ready to experiment? To dive into the exciting world of AI-assisted creativity? Comment below with your boldest AI-generated creation, or tell me what tools you're most excited to try. I'm eager to hear about your experiences and your vision for the future of AI and art. And don't forget to download my free guide, packed with resources to jumpstart your AI creative journey. It's your roadmap to navigating this exciting new frontier. The canvas is yours. Paint it with possibility. Embrace the power of AI and create something truly extraordinary.